Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, people are saying out there that uAbongwe is the son that Umselegu wishes he had. Because listen, this latest episode when uAbongwe opened up her mouth, the way she shut Uviki so quickly, and I was just like, thank you, because on my side, while I was watching my screen, I was so irritated at how Uviki's she's so talkative, and I'm just like, can you just keep quiet? Quite frankly, if I'm being quite honest, I just really felt and was hoping that both Utirelo and Uviki could just keep quiet. Because in as much as Uviki was a +1 and she should have stayed in her lane, Notirelo as well, she should have kept quiet because I mean, like, it was a family matter. I even felt like I didn't get to why Utirelo was even entertaining Uviki, but I'm going to do a separate video about that because listen, I want to talk about uAbongwe and how uAbongwe put Uviki in her place. Now, guys, I think there's something notable to be said about a person who's not a loudmouth. There's something about a person one thing about uAbongwe, she doesn't go around putting herself in anyone's business. She doesn't put herself in Umpumelelelo's business. Quite frankly, she tries by all means to stay out of drama. But the moment she decides to open up her mouth, you guys, listen, there's something about her that just commands, like, listen, you're gonna listen to me. You're not gonna, And I think the reason why it's like that is because she's not a loudmouth. There's something about a person who's a loudmouth, like when you're always talking. Like it gets to a point when you're always talking and you always want to complain about everything and like have a comment on everything. It gets to a point where we no longer take you seriously because we just like you a loud mouth. I think it's similar to it's a similar thing to Usne, the way Usne always wants to add something or in this trip, at this point, even when she was talking there, how are people supposed to take her seriously? Even the whole Vuyokazi thing, why was she commenting on it when it was, yeah, I didn't get that. And especially when it got a bit tricky when now it is people's parents who are involved. Like, no, guys, like there needs to be a limit. At the end of the day, no one on this table is married. Uvuyokazi and Umpumelelo have kids. So any conversation around that should not even be spoken around the rest of these other kids because that's a very important conversation and it should not be had on a table like this, So I felt like I'm a breaky, guys, and I just felt like some people could not what's the word? They could not discern with the eyeball, guys. Like now when we're speaking about parents, like let's just shush. So uAbongwe anyway says, she said something and I was just like, hey, girl. She's like, manj. Can you guys just keep quiet? Cause gukuluma abomsele manje. Meaning that can you guys just keep quiet and let them Selegu speak now? Because listen, at the end of the day, it is Mselegu's show. It's Mselegu's show, and quite frankly, why should people who are not even part of the Mselegu household have like a say in Mselegu thing? Sne's issue seems like it's very deep, and I don't get to why must other people like Abo Viki, Abo Tirelo be paularing or be commenting on such matters. They should have just kept quiet. When it comes to family matters, you guys, you see how Nogubonga, Usne, and that time she's Sne's friend. She could have stood up for Usne and said, hey, that's my friend. But she can't do that. It's a family matter. I feel like it's out of place for her to do that. She could at least like call her friend aside or take Usne outside and try and console her. But she has no say in that. That's some Selegu type of business. And then Uviki was trying to talk again and then uAbongwe basically said to Viki, listen, indaba zakhe zukhule. Like basically meaning your own business. You were defeated by your own business. Why do you want, like, you were defeated by your own business? Just shush, just keep quiet, just shut up. Yeah. And I saw Uviki just like take out her phone and like, I didn't think there was anyone, because Vicky talks so much, you guys. I was just like even getting irritated with it. Why is she bringing this matter up again? Like being poregile. Like even like on like this episode when we found out when Vuyelazi was explaining why Vicky was here. At this point, you've been given 3 different reasons of why Vicky's here. Before she even came to the show, we knew nothing about Uviki, so she's clearing her name Kabobani because we didn't know nothing about her. So if she wanted to clear her name, she could have cleared their name there by their families. Because quite frankly, we didn't know anything about Vicky, and me myself and I don't even want to know anything about Uviki. But other people had to say that they felt like anytime Snare was trying to explain herself and explain like what really is her problem, uAbongwe will come in. Because you'd remember that Kahle Snare was speaking to Mpumelelo, right? Actually she was speaking, yes, she was originally speaking to Mpumelelo, and then uAbongwe ngenad it. And that's when Usne basically said, I'm not speaking to you. Like, quite frankly, she was saying that to uAbongwe, I'm not speaking to you. Quite frankly, I don't want to speak to you, pointing her with the knife. So some people are like, but Usne was speaking to Mpumelelo. Why did uAbongwe like decide to put herself in it? And yeah, so some people feel actually that uAbongwe is actually being a bully towards Usne, because when Snare tries and talk, she doesn't give an opportunity. She'll just be like, what, Snare? Like, what, Snare? Like, what are you crying for? Like, those type of things. So I don't know about that. I just know that uAbongwe is like quite tired. I don't even think it's only uAbongwe. It's like everyone on the table was quite tired. But I was so glad, anyway, getting back to the main reason, I was so glad that uAbongwe put Uvuyokazi in a place, Uvuyokazi put Uviki in a place, because I didn't see anyone being able to do that. What's this girl's name? Umpilo tried to do that, but Umpilo doesn't have that authoritative thing about her like uAbongwe. So she tried. But I could see as well Umpilo, like she's trying to avoid it drama. This time uAbongwe was just tired, and you could see, remember uAbongwe, guys, and uBabumselu were quite close. So even when her father's name got involved, and the person who brought up the father's name was Loviki. She's the one who brought up parent stuff. And uAbong was just like, I'm getting irritated now when they're mentioning my father's name, because why you want to bring my father into this? Even though our father is part of it, I get it, you guys. It's not fair. Those are uBabumselegu's children. So you want to kind of talk about uBabumselegu in that light, whereas his children are sitting there, whereas you are in his children's show. Like, show a bit of respect, ma'am. Show a bit of respect. If you wanted to have that conversation, you could have pulled out Mpumelelo on the side, and Uviki could have pulled out Mpumelelo and Uvuyokazi and had that conversation. She had a conversation offline where she said Usne cannot tell. So why she bring it up again for the TV? Trying to defend herself for into esinganandaba ngayo. Ay, kashin. But anyway, I am glad ukuthi she knows her place. So next time, if there is a next time, she won't just adelela abantu nje kanjalo ungabazi abantu, because you can't come. I saw other people just like Vicky was not disrespectful, and I'm just like, clearly you guys are used to toxic, I don't know, maybe used to toxic type of environments. Guys, when you get into an environment, you don't just speak anyhow. You need to respect people's spaces. You don't just come just because you've got a burning issue, so you come utelege. No. Deal with the people that you take them aside, but the people who are there that you don't know, respect them. You don't go into people's spaces after their show at the end of the day and then come in where would see people are faking themselves. And another person said, which she was directing that at Mpumelelo, but she did not say Mpumelelo. She just said it out there, and everyone's there. So respect people's spaces. I hope next week we'll see Wiki just tries to stay out of it. But the trailer of next week, I didn't see her much. I didn't see her talking much. I just saw when she was trying to when she was trying to prevent the fight, the physical fight between Uvuyukazi and Utireno, which we'll speak about in a different video. Anyway, guys, tell me about what you think about this whole thing of Uabongwe putting Uviki in a place. Do you guys feel like Uabongwe has a side to her of being a bully, or do you feel like she's a type of person like ungamjwayeli kabi, or don't come for her, don't interrupt her. If you do interrupt her, she's gonna come for you type of vibes. Tell me what you guys think. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.